Hello. You are welcome to another video of PHP Explained. In this video, we are discussing the PHP switch statement. We are explaining our traditional what, why, how learning cycle once again. What is a switch statement? The switch statement is a type of conditional that is very popular and rapidly used in PHP programming. It is very similar to PHP's if-else statements. Why we are using the switch statement? When we want to output different results based on different values of a variable, then we can use a switch statement. The switch statement is easier to write and faster to execute. How switch statement is written. Now let's see how a switch statement can be written. Here is the syntax of writing a switch statement. Let us understand each part step by step. 1. The word switch is a keyword and has a special meaning to the PHP interpreter. 2. Condition is the variable whose values are tested. 3. Each value of the variable is considered as value 1, value 2, and so on. 4. We have to add a break statement at the end of each code block. The break specifies that we are completing the code block. Hence further values will not be tested. 5. At the end, we have to add the default code block. When all the values fail to test, then the default code block will be executed. There is no need to add a break statement in the default code block. We are giving an example and demonstrate further. Let us explain. 1. We are testing the values of $i. 2. We initialize the value using 1. 3. Inside the switch statement, we are putting the variable $i. It means we are targeting the variable $i and testing its values. 4. Case 0 means we are checking whether the value of $i is 0. If it is so, then the statement I equals 0 will be executed. The break statement helps to quit the switch statement forever. 5. We can change the value of $i with different values and test it. 6. Also, we can extend the switch cases further. 7. The continue statement works similarly to the break statement in a switch statement. Let's see another example. Guess the result. Great! The output is B. Let's see another example. In this example, we used nested switch statements. When we are exiting the inner switch statement, we have written break 2. This number 2 tells the PHP interpreter to exit 2 switch statements. We have completed it. Hopefully, you understand the PHP switch statement. Let us know your questions and feedback. Please write these in the comment box. Share our videos with your friends, students, teachers, colleagues, and others. We will be back soon with another exciting video. In the meantime, you can watch other videos of PHP Explained. Thanks again for being with us. Take care, see you.